Now, we here are massive supporters of Irish music on TuTube, and our next guests have had a pretty big summer supporting the likes of Kanye West and getting over to the UK and performing at one of the biggest festivals over there, V Festival. Plus, they've got a brand new music video. Let's have a look.
Awesome, Sean, Rob, thank you so much for coming in. Original Rude Boys, award winning, so many names. Obviously, Neddy's not here, he's off getting a tattoo.
He is, he's getting inked up.
We're actually going to go with the more interesting story. Yeah. He was attacked by great white sharks in the south of Africa, where he was scuba diving at the Cape of Good Hope.
Okay. I'll pretend I believe that.
Anyway, nobody's believing it.
Okay, I'll be your one believer. Brand new album, obviously, brand new music video there we saw for Last of a Nation. Where was that shot actually?
It was shot all around our area in the inner city, so between Dublin 1 and Dublin 3, Ballybuck, North Strand, so we got a couple of kids from the area to run around acting the
I'd say they had a ball smashing up television.
And now they're on the telly, so they're doing
it was basically what they do, but just getting followed around with cameras.
And you got the 5 lamps in there as well?
Yeah, everything, yeah. We got to record.
Everything that we know, yeah.
Showcase our area to the world. So.
Awesome. So this summer, actually, hang on. So yeah, you've got a brand new album out.
Yes.
OVR. So how does it differ from the last one?
Jesus, it differs massively, doesn't it?
Yeah, I mean, for us, it was always about trying to be progressive with it and make a bigger sound. And now that we have done that, we've already moved on to album number 3. It's just about, like, we're halfway through this album, so we're still excited about it, and we're so excited about the next couple of singles to come out as well. But we've already have like 20-25 tracks done for album 3. So
wow.
We want 50. We want 50 by the time we go back into the studio. Well, probably 10, 12, 15 maybe we'll make it.
20. We'll give it 20.
No, actually, do you know what we're going to do?
Put them all on it.
3 volumes, just like Queen.
Knocked them out.
Obviously, as we said, the summer was absolutely mental. You supported Kanye West and Pharrell Williams and Marty Park.
Yes, we did.
What was that like? I mean, where were you when you found out that you got that slot?
It was so good. I came home with a pair of flip-flops that belongs to Pharrell Williams.
What?
So yeah,
so
that's
so close.
Okay, yeah. Did he give them
Williams.
to you, or did you nick them?
Well, I'm telling everyone he's giving them to me, so that's the story I'm going with. But yeah, it was surreal, like being such fans of Kanye West and Pharrell. It was just crazy.
Did you meet the guys?
We bumped into Pharrell briefly. Unfortunately, Kanye West.
Bumped into.
What do you say when you bump into Pharrell, though?
What's up, man? All right.
Did he reply?
Yes, he said, "How's it going, lads?"
Amen.
And then it
very
got
Irish,
awkward.
answering a question with a question.
It was just a quick brief chat. He was just about to go on stage, so.
He was warming up them vocals.
Yeah, we didn't get to meet Kanye. He was off, you know.
Yeah, I think he came in a helicopter, didn't he?
Yeah, he came. Yeah, but Kim was there as well, so it's gonna be a big.
And she said she was a big fan. Am I right in hearing that?
Of course.
Of course.
She actually asked for a
It's a
CD.
given.
I'd say so. Did you feel a lot of pressure though performing on that stage, knowing that 2 of the world's biggest stars were going to be watching you?
It was more so for the surreal part of obviously because we're fans of the 2 guys. Walsh is a big fan of Kanye, but I'll never forget the day I got the College Dropout album. And I was a big 50 Cent fan, like in G-Unit and that type of gangster hip-hop rap type stuff. Stuck this on the CD player and I just went, the game has changed.
Oh yeah.
So it was kind of like to support someone that you've listened to back when
Are you
you
gonna
were
cry?
12.
You're getting a little bit emotional.
I did then, I'm not now, I'm over it.
Hey, man, and obviously it's been an even bigger summer in the sense that you played V Festival.
Yes.
What a festival to play. The amount of obviously huge names that play that, but I mean, what was that experience like?
Well, we got to drink some cocktails backstage with the likes of
Yeah.
Noel Rodgers and Pixie
No
Doll
way.
and
No
Hills or
way.
Kicks and
Yeah, that was actually our second year playing it as well because we got to play it last year as well, but this year we actually got to stick around and on the Sunday, the second show, and catch out a few of the acts and catch up with a few other artists that were backstage.
Crazy.
And people,
overall party.
we have to rush now a little bit, but people can catch you guys this Friday in the Olympia, isn't that right?
The Olympia this Friday, only a handful of tickets left, so come down
So
and
get
party.
them right now.